Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my unboxing video for the Coalpods wireless Bluetooth earphones. They come in a nice black box. It shows you that the company really cares about their product. As soon as you open it, you see a setup manual just to show you how to set up the Coalpods. Under that, you see a little transparent bag, and inside of that, you'll see the case for the Coalpods. Simply open it up and you'll see the Coalpods inside. You'll notice that when you open up the case, the light comes on. They have a really nice build and I love the texture around the Coalpods. Inside the case you also have a lightning cable, and you can use that to charge your Coalpods by putting the Coalpods inside the case and plugging the charger into the case. Once you get the Coalpods on, simply connect to them with Bluetooth on your phone, and just to run through some quick features, double tap the Coalpods to pause and play. By triple tapping on one side, it'll play the next song. By doing the same thing on the other side, it'll play the previous song. To access your Google Assistant or Siri, tap the Coalpods once, then press and hold for about a second or two, and your assistant will come up. And to switch the Coalpods on and off, tap the Coalpods and then hold it for 6 seconds. I've actually been using the Coalpods for about a week, and I'm being completely honest when I say I'm genuinely impressed with the microphone. With a lot of earphones, you get a really good sound, but the microphone is lackluster. People can't hear you. But when I'm walking around, as long as I'm speaking clearly, people can hear me. Sometimes I'm on the train, my friends can still hear me on the other side. It packs a decent sound, and it works better in quieter areas. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to like and subscribe to Tech Loto. Visit the Teespring page to get some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.